30 crates confirmed on the manifest.
Okay, I have that logged. We're clear for the next pallet.
This one is slightly overweight.
Adjust it before sending it down the line.
Keep the line moving. We need 5 more by noon.
Coming right up.
The pressure looks good on this batch.
Yeah, the saturation is perfect. We can increase the speed now.
Check the viscosity level on screen 3.
It's stabilizing now. We can increase the feed rate.
How are the levels looking?
Optimal. Temperature is rising steady, just as expected.
Looks like we're getting a perfect pass rate today.
Yeah, the calibration worked wonders.
This section here shows a slight variance.
Okay, noting the coordinates. The rest looks good though.
The precision on this batch is perfect. Look at the tolerances.
Yes, the calibration held steady. I'll increase the speed slightly.
The tensile strength on this frog leather is excellent. We should use it for the straps.
I agree. And the green dye lot came out perfectly uniform.
The texture on this frog leather is surprisingly supple.
Yes, but look here at the stitching detail.
We need to ensure the tensile strength meets the spec strap.
All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
materials are glowing perfectly. We've reached the softening point.
Confirmed. Adjusting the heat output now.
The pressure looks good on this gauge.
Yeah, keep it steady. The black sheet is off center. I see it adjusting now.
The temperature light stabilized. I'm increasing the speed now.
Copy that. The texture looks consistent.
Watch the tension on that brown roll.
Got it. Bringing the forklift around now.
We need more tan sheets over here. All right, look closely right here. When you start stitching the green pattern, ensure the seam is perfectly aligned with this mark. Go ahead and start.
Look at that stack. We're doing great. They look fantastic. Best batch yet.
Check the tension on the blue thread right now. I see the issue. Adjusting the spool.
The detail on this green leather is excellent. Yes, the gold thread really pops on the frog skin.
That's exactly what the client wanted for the frog leather texture.
All right, let's get this unclamped and start the green batch.
much faster than the old model, and the boxes are perfect.
Definitely. That will help us clear the backlog.
The throughput on this line has doubled since the upgrade.
It's running perfectly. We just need to keep it supplied.
It seals the bottom flap right before it hits the main line. Right. So we just need to make sure this feeder stays full.
We need to emphasize the texture right here on the green wallet. See how the scales look.
I agree. I'm adjusting the rendering now. Perhaps slightly darker green for the belts.
The alignment on this green one is slightly misaligned right here.
Noted. But the stitching detail on the handle is perfect.
Yeah.
We should use this handle design for the tan model as well.
Yeah.
The stitching density here on the green model is exactly what we discussed.
Agreed. And the shade of the brown leather matches the swatch perfectly.
That's good right there. Frog leather secured.